Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BASENOR 19-inch matte black Tesla Model Y replacement hubcaps or wheel covers, whatever you want to call them. It's a set of 4, so what we're going to do is obviously get them out of the box here. This is the first one's already out, and we're going to show you how to install them and show you what they look like on my car. Okay, so I got them all out of the box, and before I take you outside for the install, first I'll just show kind of what they look like nice and up close. And then I want to show you the inside. You know, these are all gonna clip right in. That'll clip in the center. So just want to show you these before I go ahead and install. All right, so you can see what I have on it right now and how it looks. So I'm looking forward to getting the black on there. So the first step is going to be removing the hubcap. All right, so to remove, all we're going to do is just pull them off. Just take it one by one in each spot, and it should come off like so. And that's what they look like on the inside. So through some trial and error, one thing I noticed was on these, you'll see that this has a little bit of an extra indent right here. Hoping you can see that. Just make sure you line that with the with your air nozzle, because otherwise you'll struggle to keep it in. But once you get that aligned, it's usually pretty darn easy. So again, find that extra space, put it right by that air, and then it should pop in a lot easier. And there you go. Make sure each one is in nice and tight. And like I said, now you've got 4 nice, really nice ones. So to me, these are super valuable. I'm looking forward to having these on the car, and hopefully this has helped you. Thanks.